Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 to Step, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to add an emoji on Slack desktop app. So let's get started. So first of all, here you can see there is an emoji option. Just click on it. So once this pops up, you can see there is an add option, so click on this as well. So after this pops up, here you need to upload your image. You can just download it from anywhere. So I'll be uploading my emoji first. So I have downloaded this emoji, this emote. So once I open up, and let's save it. So once I save it, your emoji will be added and you can use it for your further purpose. So I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.